Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see two formulas in Excel. One is Countif and another one is Vlookup. Now let's go to Excel file. Here I have taken one Excel file containing two worksheets. The first worksheet is raw data. This worksheet contains 4767 rows. Another worksheet is example. This worksheet contains only 6 rows. So in the first worksheet we have column E and F. These two columns have the handover command and another one is the handover success against the cell name. I have taken randomly 5 cells from the column D to this example sheet, these 5 cells. So now I want to put the VLOOKUP formula to take the data from the raw data sheet to the example data sheet. Equal to VLOOKUP, then lookup value. So lookup value is this one. Then put a comma here. After that the table array. So the table array should be from the raw data, and in the raw data the first column should be the cell name. So go to the raw data and this is the cell name column. Select the cell name column and drag it to the right. So as we are taking the handover command and handover success both, so we will drag it till F. So you can see in the right side it's showing 3C. So just leave the mouse button, put comma, then the second one is the handover command and the third column is the handover success, and the first column was the cell name. So we can put here 2. Then there are two options coming. One is true, approximate match, and another one is exact match. So we need the exact match here. Close the bracket and hit enter. So we can see the handover command is coming here. Just drag it till row 6 and it will fill automatically. So now for handover success, this same formula we just copy it from here, then double click and paste it here. Now we just need to put, in place of 2 we need to put 3. Again drag it. Why we are putting 3? Because in raw data the handover success was in the third column, 1, 2, 3, third column, and the handover command was in the second column, 1, 2. So that's why in the handover command we put 2 and in the handover success we put 3. So let's validate the data. If we copy this and go to raw data, let's filter it, again go here copy this one, filter here, the handover command is 378 and handover success is 364. Handover command is 378, handover success is 364. So all data will be correct. This way we can put the VLOOKUP command. Now we are going to use the Countif formula. So what Countif formula does, suppose in the column D the cell name is unique, we know, but how we will confirm that the cell name is unique? So using the Countif formula we can see how many times the cell is repeated in this column. So for that we put the Countif formula like this. Countif, then the range. In this case our range will be column D, then comma, criteria. Criteria should be the D2. Enter. Then we just double click here, it will autofill. Filter it again. Then we can see these cells are, one means in this column these cells are only one time. If any cell have multiple times, then against that cell it will show here. So click on this field, we can see 7 also here. Click OK. So these cells are 7 times in this field. For checking, just filter one cell. This cell is 7 times in this field, and the values are always all for 0 for all 7 times. So one more thing here, we need to see that what happened if the cell is multiple times in this column. What happened in the VLOOKUP values, which value it will take. So normally in the VLOOKUP it will take the first value. Suppose for this, if we take this cell here in the example put in the last, just drag these two, we can see the value is 0, as here for this cell the values are 0. Suppose we are changing the value here. Suppose we are putting 3000, and here we are putting 450. Now refresh, go here, see no change. It's because this cell for this VLOOKUP formula taking this first value, not the second or third. It will always take the first one. See, the row number is 1075 and the second one is 1083, third one is 2764. So it's taking the first one. So for checking that one, we put here 10 and here we put 9. Now let's see 10 and 9. So from here we can make it clear that in the VLOOKUP formula, if the reference cell is duplicate in the main file, then it will always take the first one. The value will return from the first one, not from the second one.